What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I actually been getting a lot of questions in the comments of where I get my blank shirts from, and I get my blank shirts for wholesale from Alpha Broder. Mainly I get it from Alpha Broder. If not, I'll use like Jiffy, things like that. But I have the wholesale license to where I can get them for basically what they're at now for color is like $2.33 or something like that. So I actually just got one shipped to my house. So I'm just gonna get right into opening this up for you guys and explain how it goes. All right, so basically I get them in a day. Their facility is only like an hour away from you, one of their facilities. And you just get an account with them and use your wholesale number to get your shirts. So I always get them, basically if they can't get a color for me, they'll get it from another facility, and that might take maybe another day or two. But for the most part, they all come from the one that's an hour away from me. And anything like just check them, make sure there's no holes, nothing like that. But it's usually quick because I only do my stuff made to order, so I don't have to keep all this inventory. So when I get orders or things like that and I start running low on shirts, I just order them up. But they just send them either into a Gildan box for you, and they send you all the colors you want, everything like that, which is not bad at all. For all these shirts right here, this cost me about, let's see, $140. And then basically these are all heavy cotton. It's what I sell. Other specialty shirts, if people want them, I'll get different shirts. But usually they come that they're already put in the sizes for you that you don't even have to really go through them. And just check them and see they got all my right sizes and everything. But it's pretty inexpensive. Yeah, if you gotta buy the bulk to get the discount, but works out in the long run. And like I said, if they don't have a color at the warehouse by you, they'll get you the colors from a different facility and send them to your house. Just go through them, make sure that they got all the ones that I wanted. Usually I don't have any problems with her. The one time I did, I had one shirt that had a hole in it and I had to send it back. But for the most part, they give me everything that I ordered. And this is Alpha Broder. I'll leave a link in the description to their website. And also, like I said, if you're in a rush, pinch, Jiffy shirts, you don't need a wholesale number or to count anything like that. Jiffy shirts for anybody who's starting off. I've gotten shirts from there. You can get your shirts off of there. And it's the same thing. It's their prices are a tiny bit more, but it's basically the same thing. And then I just check them all, and then if I have anything that I didn't get or whatever, I call them. Usually they just get it right to the house the next day for the most part. But that's where I get my shirts from. That's why I said I'll just make a quick video for you guys, just so you can see how they come. They just come, drop them right off the house. And by the looks of it, it looks like they got everything right. And they already put them in sizes for you, so. Yep. Alright guys, so that was just a quick video on where I get my blank shirts from. I get them from Alpha Broder. So I'll put the link in the description. Also, I'll put the link for Jiffy shirts. They're like the two main that I use. So it's just a quick video. So if you would, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright, peace.